Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to fix the screen related issues on your Windows 10 and 11 version, and you can also follow these steps in other window as well. So first you need to make sure that you are using the recommended resolution on your Windows. Okay, so in order to check that, you need to right click on the desktop, go to display setting here. Once you click on display setting, you need to go to this option, display resolution, and you need to look for this option which is recommended. Okay, you need to make sure it is recommended. If you see it the lower version like 10.0.24, so you can move to this option. Okay, 366 into 768. This is for recommended options for all the windows, so you can try this option. If this option is not working, you need to look for this option as well. Change size of text, apps and other apps. Make sure it is also recommended, and you can switch to 100% or 125, whichever is working fine on your Windows. You can choose that. If it is not working, you need to go to this option, advanced scaling settings, and make sure you are choosing this option. Let window try to apps so that you are not blurry. Okay, make sure it is on. Let's go back, and we need to look for this option now, advanced display setting. After that you need to go to refresh rate option here, and you need to switch to the lower one. Okay, you need to switch for a lower one, and if see the changes, if your issue is solved or not. If not, you can move to the higher one. Okay, if your problem is still there and your problem is not resolved, from here we need to go to the device manager to check the driver of the display. Open the device manager. Now you need to look for display adapter. Right click on the driver and update driver. Make sure you are connected with the network. Search automatically and it will install the driver. If you have updated your Windows or updated the driver, you can roll back your driver also. You need to right click on the driver, go to its properties and look for driver. Now you will see this option, rollback driver. I haven't installed the latest driver, so I'm getting this option blur, but you should check this option and check any one of the options and click on OK and restart your system. Okay, we need to restart your system and check if your issue is solved or not. If not solved, you can remove this driver, uninstall it, click on uninstall, and after that, once it is uninstall is done, you will see the Microsoft basic driver. Now go to Google Chrome and you need to look for like HP driver download. I'm using HP laptop. If you are using the Dell laptop, you can choose Dell driver download like this and go to the first website, official website of the HP. And we will install the latest driver from there. Now click on the laptop or the desktop, whichever you are using. I'm choosing here the laptop. Now here you need to submit your serial number here. So press Windows plus R button together, type as CMD and type this command WIM space BIOS space get serial number and hit enter. Okay, once you hit enter, you will get your serial number. I will give this command into my description box. Okay, so that you can directly copy and paste. This is the command I will give you. Once you hit enter, you will get your serial number. So let me hit enter, and I'm cutting this video for the security purpose. Now I have submitted my serial number and click on submit option. Now it is going to download the driver. Choose your operating system here, click on submit. Once you click on submit, you need to look for this option. HP is your, it is detecting the all the drivers. click on all the drivers. Now you need to look for display. Okay, and you can see Intel high definition SD graphic base. You need to just download it and install it. Once you install it, restart your system and your issue should fix. So hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.